Talking about the 2004 drama, Pranab Mukherjee knew that Sonia Gandhi wouldn't make him the Prime Minister. The daughter of the former president, Sarmishta Mukherjee, delves into various such anecdotes, shedding light on the political perspectives of Pranab Mukherjee in her upcoming book. The book, titled In Pranab, My Father, A Daughter Remembers, is set to be launched on December 11th, on the birth anniversary of the former president. In a specific chapter titled Prime Minister India Never Had, Sarmishta reflects on her father's certainty that Sonia Gandhi would not appoint him as the Prime Minister. Interestingly, she notes that Pranab Mukherjee did not feel disheartened by this decision. Additionally, the author shares insights from one of her father's diary entries where he described Rahul Gandhi as very courteous and full of questions, but remarked that he was yet to mature politically.